Hello students, today in the lesson Federalism, this is our fourth lecture and we are discussing the main topic what make India a federal country, and there is two topics, one we discussed already and this is the second topic, unequal power among the various constituent units. So student, you know very well there are different type of the constituent units in India. Number one, it is called special states. Second is union territories. And third is relation of various states with central government. There are three basic type of the three states: special states, union territories, and third is relation of the various states with the central government. So we will discuss these three states one by one. Special states are the such states which were formed at the time when there was a controversy with the Indian territories at the border area. Means 1947 when India got the freedom. So some of the area which was very controversial, and this area you know very well, the area of the western area, northern area, eastern area. Western, northern, eastern area where there are different type of the region where it is very controversial. So special states they were declared that time, and these special states were declared under the different articles in India, such as 370. 370, this is the article under which Jammu and Kashmir was declared as the special states of India at the time 1947. Means that time Sri Lanka, Jammu Kashmir was the very controversial states, so it was not merged as the independent states of India. So that is very important things. Jammu Kashmir, where second current also written there. This is the 35 current. This is the you will say current, and this is the article. That these two decisions make Jammu and Kashmir as the special states. This decision was imposed by the central government of India at the time of 1947, and this decision was continued in India last 70 years. But the bold government, the Modi government, which has taken the decision to, you say, suspended all the earlier, you say, challenges of the Jammu Kashmir as a special states, and they merged Jammu Kashmir as the union territories. Means the area, the region which can be controlled by directly the central government. So the special states as a Jammu Kashmir was turned into as a union territories. Union territories where the two regions, one is called the Jammu and Kashmir. This is the first union territories, and second is Ladakh. So Jammu and Kashmir, their capital is Srinagar, and Jammu and Ladakh, their capital is Leh or Kargil. So these two, you will say union territories, the India got. And a special state, what was the special states, what was the condition of special states? Under this current and the article, any Indian resident, listen it very carefully, any Indian resident could not sell or buy the property in the Jammu and Kashmir. That was the foundation. These foundation which was hindering the development of the Jammu and Kashmir, the main narratives of the Jammu Kashmir, the Kashmiri Brahmins, they also migrated from this area and they lived in different part of the country. Especially you heard so many Kashmiri Brahmins, especially very popular and Anupam Khair. He is also the Jammu Kashmir Kashmiri Brahman. So this is type of the foundation which was taken by the central government of India that time, but Modi government has taken the decision to suspend all the privilege as the special state of Jammu Kashmir and declared as the Jammu Kashmir as the union territories which was divided into the Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh. That was the very, we'll say, concrete steps which was taken by the central government of India in the contemporary times, in the present time, and this decision was welcomed by everyone, especially the you say UNO also welcomed this decision. So and there are several special states in India, and I will make a list, and I will also show these all the special states of India in a map. Yes, so in this special video I will show them. So this is the, and so many states which are declared as the special states, such as the Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Manipur, Mizoram, Andhra Pradesh. All these states which I am telling now as a special states. On some, what are the term and condition to make any region as a special state if the area is very lagging behind in the development, infrastructural development is not there. So many other challenges also faced in this region, such as the, you'll say, electricity is not available there, or the terrorism can be present there. So all these circumstances, if they are presented, so these regions to declare any state as a special state. So special state get some power by the constitution, means the constitution of India cannot run there. They have their own constitution, they have their own high court. Any order of the central government cannot be imposed. The central government decision can be applied only in this sphere: defense and currency. Defense and currency are the two areas where the Jammu Kashmir High Court cannot change, and all the other steps where the central government of India cannot be interfere, except only the central government of India interfere in this area only. So you student, you know very well what was the kind of difficulties in this area. Now the second type of the states are the union territories. Union territories are the area in India. Union territories. Union territories, some regions which are found in India. And what is the kind of definition? Some region that are very small or very narrower, that can not be merged into any states and not to form in a states. That is the condition of the united territories. And united territories, where you know very well the union territories, especially the Delhi, Chandigarh, Dadra Nagar Haveli, and Puducherry, and Andaman Nicobar, Lakshadweep, Jammu Kashmir, and the Ladakh. Dadra Nagar Haveli and Daman and Deeps, they are declared as a common union territories of India in 2020. So this decision was taken by the central government to merge. And you know, student, very well, there are three areas where you will find the Puducherry. If you have the answer, you can comment and you tell me in which area you will find the different type of the Puducherry in India, in the west, in the east, in the south. How many regions you can find the Puducherry, and you will have to identify them also. If you have any answer, you can comment. So, student, this is the Union Territories. Union Territories is directly controlled by controlled by central government, and lieutenant is the administrator. Lieutenant is the administrator of the Union Territories. Some states which enjoy as a half state like the Delhi, Puducherry, and so many other regions, and some union territories which entertained as a only union territories, not a half states. And in Delhi is promised by Arvind Kejriwal to declare as a full state of India, because Delhi has the 70 state legislative assembly seats. So that is very important things about the union territories. So hope student you enjoy this video lecture about the union territories. Our last states are the states and central government. What is the relation between the states and the central government? States means the states which are common states of India. Common state I can write there. Common state of India and their relation with the central government. So that is very important things about the central government and their power, and how do they enjoy their power with the common states of India. So that is very important things. The central government cannot take the decision unilateral. Means states approval is very necessary at the time of decision by the central government. This process is known as a bilateral process. Means the central government cannot take the decision unilaterally. It needs the support of various states of India. Nearly more than 50% of the states show their approval with the decision of the central government. That is very important things. You have seen many of the decisions which has been taken by the central government, and central government has not imposed all these decisions unilaterally. Central government take the approval of the more than 50% of the 50% states of the India. Then the decision was you will say approved. The decision has been taken by the central government, imposed in the whole country. So student, This topic which we discuss in the holding together federation, where we have seen also very clearly, and I also told it there. So hope student you enjoy this video lecture. If you enjoy this video lecture, please comment it, share it, and please you have to see this video lecture very very carefully. It will help you in your board exam. Thank you to listen me and watch me.